In this video, you're going to learn how to learn programming and almost anything. We will show you how to learn fast and as effectively as possible. In fact, I used this technique to learn programming, math, and many more things, even guitar. And so can you. Many of you struggle to learn things. And the reason behind this is lack of proper approach, plan, and schedule. All you need is a step-by-step detailed process so that you can stay focused and move forward. This is Infinity Codes, and in this video we're gonna show you our step-by-step action plan for learning anything easily, including a lot of case studies and examples. With that being said, let's get started. Stick to the end of this video for a bonus tip. When I was trying to learn things, I was suffering. Because I had no roadmap, so I didn't know where to go. The solution is, however, you need to determine what you want. So step number 1 is set realistic learning goals and plans. You need a clear plan of what you want to achieve. Because when you have a plan, it's very easy to determine what you need to do next, which makes the process easier. But the question is, how can you plan effectively? Here are some tips. Research about your topic and what you need to do to get from point A to B. Then, divide the process into smaller steps. That way, you'll have a specific idea and an easy checklist for your whole plan. For example, if you want to learn programming, you can divide the process like print statement, variables, if-else statement, loops, and functions. Make a checklist and start learning. Another thing is, you should also have a great vision. But be realistic about it. Yes, you can learn anything faster than others, but that can take 7 hours from your daily schedule. That may be possible for some people, but not everyone has that much time. So research about how much time you can spend on learning the topic. And set a learning goal that will be comfortable with your lifestyle and your vision. Step 2. Find a source to learn and start learning. So now you have set the learning goals and you know what to learn. Therefore, you need a source or guide to learn. And follow their learning materials. Now, where do you learn? Look, in the 21st century, you don't need universities to learn stuff. The internet is the greatest source of information and learning materials. These learning materials can be videos, blogs, articles, and even a personal trainer. The amount of information on the internet is insane. There are also great books you can read, great podcasts you can listen to. All you need to do is search on the internet about what you want to learn. For example, if you want to learn Python programming language, go to YouTube and search for Python tutorials. You will find tons of them. Just open a playlist and start learning. You can also check useful blogs and articles about Python. If you want to learn linear algebra or something else, do the same thing. Just find the source and start to learn. Take notes if it's a long topic. Step 3. Persevere. People start to face hard problems when they start to learn. A lot of times, they lose interest and they give up. This is the mentality you need to avoid. Remember, for your each and every problem, there is a solution. You have to just persevere. So how do you persevere? Again, the internet is your best friend. Let's say that you don't understand velocity in physics. So all you have to do is search what is velocity on the Google. Read a lot of articles and watch some videos. And there you have your solution. For every time you face a problem, don't panic and just make a Google search. Easy as that. If you still don't get a solution, don't get sad. There are social media sites. In these social sites, you can post your problem and ask for help. There are millions of humble people to help you. I recommend Reddit, Stack Overflow, and Facebook groups for this purpose. Just join the groups and communities of your learning topic and ask your problem. Yes, that's how we persevere. Not by crying and yelling, but by trying to find the answer. So whenever you face problem, just remember, the internet has got your back. Step 4. Schedule your day. Discipline isn't a popular word these days, but trust me, it helps. You see, when you don't have a schedule, you just sit around, you start to do other things, and you start procrastinating. You leave your work for tomorrow, which is a very unhealthy habit for a learner. When you schedule your day, you always have an idea about when you have to do the next thing. You can also plan when you can invest the time in learning. This will largely affect your learning process. If you schedule your day, you will get your everyday job done. And also, there will be a lot of free time for you. So how do you schedule? Here are some tips. Plan your day the night before. If your day is pre-planned from the day before, you will wake up knowing exactly how your day is gonna be. Another thing is, put your learning goal in a relaxed time. That way, you will be able to stay focused for a long time and learn more efficiently. Step 5. Stay consistent. This is a big one. Do you know why you fail at something? One simple reason. You give up. Yes, that's right. You never lose until you give up. If you don't quit, you're still making progress. So, consistency is the key here. Sometimes you will feel like you're not making progress. You may also get bored because you're not learning fast. Our tip is don't listen to these feelings and just show up every day according to your schedule. Not every day you're gonna feel motivated. Not every day you're gonna feel derived. But if you have the discipline to work every day, no matter what happens, you will eventually outperform everyone. Even if you just try to learn every day, you'll outperform those who don't show up. Consistency leads to massive success. It's called the compound effect. Small actions lead to big results. If you at least learn a small chunk of your topic every day, you'll eventually learn the whole thing. If you keep this consistent habit, you'll become a master in your topic. For example, if you were learning programming, try to learn a small new topic every day. Or try to write a small code. Similarly, if you were an artist, draw something new every day. But the important thing is, just show up. Bonus tip. Here's an extra thing you can do to keep yourself motivated. And this is keep track of your learning progress. Journal it up. Write down what you have learned. When you journal what you have learned every day, at the end of the month you'll feel fulfilled and charmed. You will also know what you have learned. Are you a programmer or a tech nerd? Then this is the right place for you. Infinity Codes' goal is to provide you with the best programming lessons and best programming essays in a simple way. If you want to learn and expand your knowledge about programming, then please subscribe.